हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम पढ़ेंगे एक्सरसाइज 12.2 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 5। अ वेसल इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ इन्वर्टेड कोन, इट्स हाइट इज 8 सेंटीमीटर एंड द रेडियस ऑफ द टॉप विच इज ओपन इज 5 सेंटीमीटर. This type of a cone, the height is 8 centimeter and radius is 5 centimeter. Filled with the water up to the brim where lead shores, each of which is a sphere of a radius is a 0.5 centimeter dropped into the vessel. 1/4 of the water flows out. Find the number of a lead shores dropped in the vessel. For conical vessel, these are dimensions. Now dimensions for sphere. Which are dropped down in a conical flask or a conical vessel. That is radius equals to 0.5 centimeter. Volume of a conical flask. That equals to 1/3 pi r square h. 1/3 22/7 r, there is a 5 centimeter, so 5 into 5, height is equals to 8 centimeter. That equals to 4400/21 centimeter cube. Now volume of a sphere. That equals to 4/3 pi r cube. 4/3 pi 22/7 r, there is radius is 0.5 centimeter, so this will be 4/3 22/7 into 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5. Point cancel 10, point cancel 10 and point cancel is 10. 5 2s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 5 5 cancel. So there will be volume of sphere will be 11/21 centimeter cube. Now volume of a water flows out. That is equals to 1/4 of a volume of conical flask according to question. So this will be 1/4. Volume of flask is 4400/21 centimeter cube. So this will be 1100/21 centimeter cube. Now in question demands number of lead shots dropped in the vessel. So number of a balls equals to volume of a water flows out divided by volume of a one sphere. So this will be 1100/21 upon 11/21. This is equals to 1100/21, 21/11 that is 100, 21 1 ja 21. So number of balls are 100. 100 balls. That is our answer. Next question. Question number 6. A solid iron pole consists of a cylinder of a height is a 220 centimeter and a base diameter is a 24 centimeter, which is surmounted by another cylinder of a height is 60 centimeter and radius is a 8 centimeter. Find the mass of the pole given that a 1 centimeter cube of iron has approximately 8 gram mass. There is a two cylinders. One is a larger and one is a smaller. That is a larger cylinder which is a 220 centimeter and their diameter is 24 centimeter. There is another cylinder which is a 60 centimeter of height and their radius is 8 centimeter. Question number 6. For larger pole, height equals to 220 centimeter and radius is 24 upon 2, that equals to 12 centimeter. For smaller pole, height equals to 60 centimeter and radius is 8 centimeter. Now total volume of a pole. Poles are volume of a larger pole plus volume of smaller pole. Volume of a larger pole is pi r square h plus volume of a smaller pole is pi r square h. Their pi is common, r square h plus r square h. Put the values of all these. Pi is equals to 3.14. Their r is 12 centimeter, 12 square. Height is 220 centimeter plus their height is 8 square. Sorry, r is 8 centimeter and height is 60 centimeter. So 3.14, 144 into 220 plus 8 8 is 64 into 60. 3.14, 31680 after multiplication, and there will be 3 3840. So 3.14 into 35520. This is equals to 11532.8 centimeter cube. So volume of a iron pole equals to 11532.8 centimeter. Now mass of the iron balls. The given density is given that equals to 8 grams per centimeter cube, and density equals to mass upon volume. mass equals to volume into density. Their volume is 11532.8 centimeter cube and density according to question is a 8. So this will be 89262.4 grams. We can write 892.2624 kilograms. Next question, question number 7. A solid consisting of a right circular cone of a height is a 120 centimeter and a radius is a 60 centimeter. Standing on a hemisphere of a radius is 60 centimeter placed upright in a right circular cylinder full of water such that it touches the bottom. There is a one cylinder, this type of a cylinder. Its radius is 60 centimeter and height is 180 centimeter. A right circular cone of a height is 120 centimeter and radius is 60 centimeter standing on a hemisphere radius. The hemisphere radius, and in this a cone is that type. Also radius is 60 centimeter and height of a cone is 120 centimeter. Find the volume of the water left in the cylinder if it's a radius of the cylinder 60 centimeter. Volume of cylinder, the height of cylinder is h. This is equals to 180 centimeter. Radius, all question is 60 centimeter. Height of a cone, the small h, this equals to 120 centimeter and radius is 60 centimeter. Radius for spherical r equals to also 60 centimeter. Find the volume of water left in the cylinder if it's a radius of the cylinder. Volume of water. Volume of a water left in a cylinder, that equals to volume of cylinder minus volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. So volume of cylinder equals to pi r square h minus volume of a cone equals to 1 upon 3 pi r square h plus volume of a hemisphere equals to 2 by 3 pi r cube. So pi r square common, h minus 1 upon 3 small h minus 2 by 3 r. Put the values all this, that equals to 22 upon 7 r square equals to 60 square. Height is 180 minus 1 upon 3 as there is 120 minus 2 by 3 r equals to 60. So 340, there were 20. So 22 upon 7, 6 6 are 3600. 180 minus 40 minus 40. So they call 22 upon 7 into 3600 into 100. This will be 7921234 upon 7 centimeter cube. This figure is a very large figure. So 792 we can change into centimeter cube, change into meter cube. 1, 2, 3, 4 upon 7. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 number minus. So 7.92 upon 7 meter cube. This will be meter cube. 1 point, after calculation we found 1.13 meter cube. So answer will be 1.131 meter cube. Answer. Now question number 8. A spherical glass vessel has a cylindrical neck 8 centimeter long, and 2 centimeter is the diameter. The diameter of the spherical part is 8.5 centimeter. That is 8.5 centimeter. By measuring the amount of water in a hose, a child finds its volume to be 345 centimeter cube. Assume by child volume is 345 centimeter cube. Check whether she is correct, taking the above as an inside measurement. Pi equals to 3.4. There height for neck, that equals to 8 centimeter, and radius equals to 2 by 2 equals to 1 centimeter. Radius for spherical part, that equals to capital R, 8.5 upon 2 centimeter. Now volume of a pot. Equals to volume of sphere part plus volume of neck part. So this will be 4 by 3 pi r cube plus pi r square h. There pi is common, so 4 upon 3 r cube plus r square h. Put the values. 3.14, 4 upon 3, 8.5 upon 2 whole cube plus r, there is a 1, and h is 8. 3.14, 4 upon 3 into 8.5 upon 2, 8.5 upon 2, 8.5 upon 2 plus 8 ones are 8. 2 to the 4, 2 cancel. After calculation, we found 614.125, 3 to the 6 plus 8. Take LCM. 3.14. This will be 614.125 plus 6 8 is 48. 3.14 into 662.125 divided by 6. So we found 346.5 centimeter cube. This is differ from assumed child. So the answer is incorrect. Our answer is 346.5. Correct answer is 346.5 centimeter cube. That is our answer. Thank you.